Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing most awaited recipe which is highly requested by my daughter's friends. So today I will be showing chocolate chip cookie recipe. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for the chocolate chip cookies. Here I am having 1 cup of flour, 125 to 30 grams flour, half a cup less than half a cup brown sugar, caster sugar 90 grams, half a cup butter, 1 egg. Either you can take chocolate chip or you can take chocolate chunk. Taken 50 grams walnuts, optional. 1 tablespoon corn starch, 1 egg and half a teaspoon of baking soda. In here I am having vanilla extract which I will be using 1 teaspoon. So let's get started with the recipe. So today I am making cookies with this spatula in a bowl. Let us start and add our butter first in the bowl. Our butter should be at room temperature, not completely room temperature, but it should be at this consistency. You all can see. Into this I am adding caster sugar and brown sugar and I will mix them nicely. This method is called creaming. Brown sugar and caster sugar has to be combined thoroughly. You can see our brown sugar, caster sugar and butter has mixed nicely. Don't skip this important step. Creaming has to be done nicely. Without creaming we cannot make cookies. So you all can see our creaming has done nicely. Into this I am breaking 1 egg. The egg I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and I will give a good mix. Now I am adding our flour, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon corn starch. This is optional. If you want your cookies to be chewy inside, you can add this. Otherwise, you can skip this also. 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon corn starch and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'll sieve it. I'll give a good mix. You all can see the texture of the cookie dough. It has come out really very nice. Now our dough has been mixed nicely. Into this I am adding, I'll ask my daughter, what do you want me to use, chocolate chip or chocolate chunks?
I want both.
You want both? Alright. So I am adding chocolate chip. This is approximately half a cup and I am using chunks also. And here I have roasted few walnuts. So I'll be breaking them. And you all can use pecans also. I'm using walnuts. I have made egg cookies. If you want to make eggless cookies, you can replace it by 3 tablespoons of milk or 3 tablespoons of Amul cream. Amul cream and egg has to be at room temperature. So here goes our walnuts. And I'll give a good mix to chocolate, walnut and our dough. How rich it looks. Chocolate chip cookies, I have taken Callebaut brand and for the chocolate chunks I have taken Mode and Regal. Whichever brand you prefer, whichever brand you like, you all can use it. So our dough is ready now and I am going to chill this in the fridge for 40 to 45 minutes. Once it is chilled, we'll scoop it and we'll make a drop cookie. Cookie dough has been chilled nicely for 45 minutes. So here I am having this scoop and I'll scoop them, drop them in the tray. So I have placed parchment paper in my baking tray. If you do not have this ice cream scooper, you all can take this 1 tablespoon measurement spoon also, if you do not have this. And I am going to scoop this. Now I am dropping all the cookies in the tray one after the other. So I will be preparing 9 cookies. Cookies are ready to go in the oven. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius and cookies will go in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So let's set our cookies in the oven. Cookies are baked nicely. I'll let cookies rest in the tray for 10 minutes and then I'll set it in the plate. Our chewy and yummy cookies are ready. You can follow my recipe and enjoy the same cookies. How nice our cookies have turned out. Crunchy from the outside and gooey and chocolatey from the inside. If you liked my recipe, please give thumbs up, share your feedback in comments, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my channel.